Welcome guys, so today I am with the REALME Narzo 50i Prime and I'm going to show you what is the maximum zoom range on the camera application. So when you open it and go for the capture and use zoom feature, just take a look, we can zoom in to the 4 times. And that's the maximum zoom on this phone. If you are wondering about the quality, let me just take a photo. Okay, it was stable. We can enable the auto rotate to make it bigger and take a look. That's the quality of this zoom on the 4x on the REALME Narzo 50i Prime. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.